Welcome to winter. It is lovely to see your face again. Well, okay, I hope it's lovely for you to see my face again. I love winter because I love getting all snuggly and warm. But really in Brisbane, I don't know if we really experience a true winter. But I love any excuse to get all rugged up and in my Ugg boots and my warm fluffy jacket. So, what has been happening for Balance Central in the last month? Well, there are a few links above that you can go and check out. But really, the really fun thing that I absolutely loved was attending the OPB event. And this is the Office Professionals Breakfast event. Because Samuel Johnson of Love Your Sister was presenting. And as a speaker myself, it was absolutely amazing to watch his storytelling in action. Oh, a master, just amazing. So that was a massive highlight for me in May. I've also enjoyed doing a couple of presentations and going to other events and working with clients internationally. I just love that I am getting a bit of a pickup of clients on a global scale. I'm just thrilled. I'm really thrilled for them, but I'm thrilled as well. So that's been happening in May. Coming up in June, I have two significant events that I'm very excited about. One is on the 7th of June, that is for WNA. I am part of a panel with Terry Cooper and Nicole Van Hatten about networking. Is the introvert a better networker or is the extrovert a better networker? So that's going to be a load of fun. That's at Toowong. The link is below. Then I'm also running a 2-day workshop with a lovely group of people up at Bribey, and I am thrilled to be working with them. So that's happening in June. And I'm also preparing for a podcast that will be recorded in June, and I think it might come out in July or August, so I'll make sure when that does get released that there's a little bit of a link there for you to go and have a listen. But it's with a podcast that is produced in New Zealand. So again, a little bit of that global reach is going on for Balance Central, which I'm thrilled about. So look, there are a number of other things that are happening, of course, in my world, but they're just the highlights, and there are some extra links above and below this video in the newsletter that you can take a look at and have a listen to. I hope you have a fabulous June. I know I will be. And that's the other thing I'm going to be doing leading up to the beginning of July. I'm very excited. I get to go to Singapore in July for the B1G1 conference in Singapore. So thrilled to be attending that. So I hope you have a fabulous month ahead. I know I will, and I'll see you all in a few weeks' time.